How's it going, guys? Today I wanted to show you my comic collection of Green Arrow and Black Canary. Let's get straight to it. You got the first issue. You got a variant cover of issue 1. You got issue 2. And then another variant. You have issue 3. Nice Black Canary cover. And then another variant cover. Like that cover. Issue 4. Nice Justice League cover. Issue 5. Issue 6. Issue 7. Issue 8. Issue 9. Issue 10. Nice Batman. Issue 11. Issue 12. Issue 13, issue 14, issue 15, like this cover, and then you get issue 16 with Merlin, issue 17, issue 18, issue 19, nice Black Canary cover, issue 20, issue 21, and then you get the Green Arrow versus Black Canary. And then you just get Green Arrow and Black Canary again. Just Green Arrow, issue 23, issue 24, issue 25, issue 26, issue 27, issue 28, issue 29, issue 30, issue 31, like that cover right there, issue 32, and last but not least, the one-shot Green Arrow and Black Canary, the wedding special. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. Thanks.